Will AI take over the project manager job? The ICT Workforce Consortium has published a report which reveals that 92% of IT jobs will see a high or moderate transformation due to AI advances. How big will be the impact on IT project managers? Will most of them be replaced by smart AI applications where assigning tasks, estimating budgets, and managing risks will occur in milliseconds? My name is Maciek. I entered the project management world with no experience, and if I did it, you can do it too. Now, after 7 years, I want to share my knowledge, and who knows, maybe some of it will be useful to you one day. Okay, let's start with strengths of AI. AI is powerful at handling data. It can analyze vast amounts of information, spot trends, and predict project risks faster than any human. This is super helpful for a project manager who wants to know where a project might face delays or cost overruns. AI also brings a lot of efficiency. Imagine an AI that alerts you the moment a task falls behind schedule or when budget spending goes beyond the threshold. It allows you to focus on more strategic and creative parts of the job. What is more, AI systems can make decisions in milliseconds, optimizing outcomes in real time. Okay, that was the strengths of AI, but what are our human strengths? First and foremost, communication. Building and maintaining relationships with stakeholders, mediating conflicts, and understanding team dynamics require social skills that AI can't replicate. A good project manager reads emotions, picks up on unspoken issues, and tailors communications for different stakeholders. AI can't handle the nuances of human emotions, and it's not great at resolving conflicts between people. Leadership, vision, and inspiration. AI simply can't and never will be able to inspire other human beings and communicate any great vision. Great leaders inspire people by understanding and appealing to their aspirations, values, and personal goals. Through storytelling, authentic communication, and shared experiences, they create a sense of purpose. While AI might generate motivational messages, it lacks the genuine passion and authenticity that inspires people on an emotional level. Creativity and imagination allow people to innovate, dream big, and take calculated risks to achieve something greater. AI can optimize existing solutions, but lacks the drive to envision and pursue a revolutionary vision that goes beyond what it's been trained on. How they can cooperate? AI can serve as a creative partner by generating ideas, designs, or recommendations based on patterns it identifies. AI can brainstorm ideas, and then the project managers can refine these outputs, adding a unique human touch and steering AI-generated content toward their vision. In many fields, repetitive tasks are automated by AI, allowing humans to focus on higher-level work. AI can assign tasks, create user stories based on one sentence, or write documents or meeting summaries. An AI tool can track metrics on performance or flag risks really quickly. For example, you could ask AI to deliver time estimates on a large project, bringing every estimations method like story point or no estimate to another level. Of course, you have to learn the model based on large amount of past projects data in the first place, but I will be excited to test that on one of my projects in the future. So, will AI take over the job of the project manager? I think not anytime soon. AI will keep transforming how we work, but project managers bring a unique set of skills that can't be easily replaced. The biggest change will be experienced by mid and low-level positions, as manual tasks become less relevant or easily replaceable by this technology. In IT project management, AI can be a powerful ally, helping you focus on strategy, leadership, and decision-making rather than administrative tasks. So, if you want to thrive in the AI era, learn how to work with ChatGPT at the beginning. Then, learn how to interpret data. Don't forget about human skills. Communication, conflict management, empathy, and leadership are essential. If that sounds encouraging and you're still thinking of becoming an exciting journey as an IT project manager, take a look at my video about how to become one.